In 2012, Florida entrepreneur Daniel Fox saw a gap in the laser engraving market. Overpriced industrial machines or cheap imports with no support. He wanted something better, reliable, affordable lasers backed by real service. That vision became Boss Laser, founded in Sanford, Florida. From day one, the mission was simple: deliver powerful CO2 laser machines without breaking the bank and provide lifetime support for every customer. Fox partnered with Todd Rice, whose Fortune 500 experience helped build a foundation of quality and care. Together, they developed training, QA, and support systems that earned over 5,000 positive reviews from small shops, schools, and major corporations. Listening to customers drove innovation. By 2016, Boss Laser expanded into fiber lasers for metal cutting and marking, with many upgrades coming directly from user feedback. Boss Laser serves everyone from hobbyists to Fortune 50 manufacturers. Every sale includes setup, training, and lifetime support, because they see themselves in the people business as much as the laser business. Guided by a vision to honor God by positively impacting people, the company values service and innovation. That culture fuels constant improvement and long-term customer trust. Looking ahead, Boss Laser is investing in more US-made CNC laser technology to ensure quality and keep production closer to home. What started as a solution to a market gap has grown into a nationwide leader in laser technology and customer care.